ట్రై చేసాం అన్నట్టయితే నాకు వాష్రూమ్
Don't laugh, okay? Friends, today I'm going to cooking. So everybody cooks Maggi, right? So today I'm going to make Maggi in my home along with my brother. So making Maggi, I know in less time we can cook very easily, right? So that's why today I'm going to make Maggi. So what I'm trying to say is don't concentrate on my cooking, guys, because I'm not perfect in cooking and I'm disaster, I'm telling you. So you have to concentrate on my English, don't concentrate on my Maggi, okay? But before we going to cooking, so I have to show you that what are the ingredients. My mom's always watch cooking videos very much. On that time I saw they are said first ingredients because that is mandatory, right? So now I am going to show. I know I don't know how to show and everything, but this is my first trial, so I'm showing. So these are finally chopped onions and these are finally chilies because I don't like chilies very much, that's why I'm taking only one chilies. And this is jeera and these are coriander leaves and these are curry leaves. And some people are added tomatoes and pears and carrots and everything, but I don't like those kind of ingredients. Whenever I make Maggi, so these are all my ingredients. I always prefer only these things, okay? So now let's start how to make Maggi, okay? Now I'm right until this bowl is very hot, okay? You have to add 1 cup of oil, okay? When this oil become hot, so we have to add chopped onions, okay? I'm adding chopped onions. I don't know how it's going to be. Let's see. Don't laugh, okay? Actually, my brother is behind the camera, guys. He is shooting my video. Come closer. So you have to stir this onion. So you have to put the flame into medium, okay? After these onions become golden brown color, then you can add jeera or chilies, okay? I don't know this Maggi is going to be how it is, but my brother will taste it. What do you say, brother?
No.
Whenever I cook, he is the first to eat my cooking because he is the rat of my experiments, okay? So now I think these onions become golden brown color. So now I'm adding chilies. Actually, I don't like chilies, guys. My brother likes, that's why I'm adding in this Maggi. Oh boy. I'm adding jeera. Actually, I like jeera, guys, and also I like this smell very much. So that's why I'm adding little more because I like jeera. That's why I'm adding more. Okay. Most of the people add carrots also, but I don't like very much carrot, guys. When it comes to this Maggi, I don't like. Now I'm adding curry leaves in it. Okay. I'm very much scared when I'm added curry leaves. Now I'm adding water, guys. 1 glass of water. So you have to add according to your Maggis. How many Maggis you are adding, according to that you have to add water, okay? So you have to add salt, okay? So you have to add salt, guys, according to your taste. Whenever I add salt, I always scared because I don't know how much salt I always add. So whenever I add salt, it becomes salty. So today I am going to see how this Maggi is going to be. I cook a lot of times this Maggi for myself only, but I am not going mom and everything. My mom definitely scold me whenever I came to kitchen. So because whenever I came to kitchen, I do a lot of mess in kitchen. So that's why she won't encourage to come in kitchen, okay? So I think I'm done. So this water is boiling. So you have to wait couple of minutes until this water is boiling, okay? So now I'm taking these two Maggies, guys. So one for me and one for my brother. Okay. Scissor. Where is scissor?
Cut more.
So I don't know how this Maggie is going to be. So just I'm trying. Because me and my brother only we can eat this Maggie. Nobody will come and eat this. Okay. So these are all taste makers, guys.
First gas బాగా పెట్టండమ్మా.
Adding taste makers, guys, and yes, in this taste maker I think these are all masalas. When you are adding these masalas into this Maggie, and this Maggie will become very tasty. I don't like these kind of masalas, guys. For myself I can add only half, but my brother likes these kind of masalas. That's why I'm adding little more. So I think I'm very sweat. So you have to wait until this boiling water very hot. Okay, so then you have to add these Maggie. Okay, so I think it's done. What do you say? Adding noodles. Okay, these Maggie noodles into this vessel. Okay, so you have to add carefully. Stirring these Maggie. Okay, so wait until this Maggie cook perfectly. Okay, I'm very sweat. I think most of the bachelors will like Maggie, guys, and also hostelers, because it is very easy to cook and we can cook in less time, right? But don't eat too much Maggie, guys. Once in a month or twice in a month is good, but don't eat. It's not good for health, right? So you have just he's always blaming me, guys, whenever I cook. Off the flame. So now I think this is perfect, right?
Yes.
So you have to pour these Maggie noodles into the bowl. Okay, so where is the bowl? One minute wait padina vare. Okay, so these are the bowls, guys. Okay, so now I'm adding these Maggie noodles into this bowl. So you have to careful, guys, when you are adding Maggie noodles in it. Okay, so now I'm adding coriander leaves, guys. I like this garnishing, guys, because I saw so many times in cooking videos they are adding always coriander when they are completed their cooking. So I think it's done. So I'm adding this coriander leaves. Ta-da! All my viewers. So you have to taste it, guys. Then I know it's not possible. You have to feel it. Then you have to tell me in the comment section how you like my Maggie. Okay. So now my brother will taste it. Just he will going to taste my Maggie. Come closer. So now my brother tasted. So you have to tell genuine review. So how you can feel.
ఉప్పే లేదు.
I already told you, guys, I'm always confused whenever I add salt, right? So now I'm going to taste it. It's really good, guys. Should they try at their homes?
అద్దద్దు
Hey!
మళ్ళా ఫెయిల్
Shut
అవుతా.
up, okay? Don't say like that. Hey, you should definitely try it in your home, okay?
అట్లా ట్రై చేసాం అన్నట్టయితే.
Hey! You have to taste it again.
వద్దు నాకు చాలా.
Hey! తించిన తంతి నువ్వు
నాకు వాష్రూమ్ వస్తుంది.
You should definitely try it your home. I know everybody knows how to make Maggie, but this is my try. It is really good and it is also delicious. Not perfect, but it is good to eat.
తినంటే కలుపుకుని సోది చెప్తుంది.
So this is our lunch today because my mom is not at home. So that's why me and my brother decided to cook something for us. So that's why I make Maggie for my brother, for me. Okay. So this is all about today's video, guys, and I hope you really like the video. And if you like the video, you know what you have to do. So today cameraman is my brother. So thank you, brother.